Young people, including my sons, they need to be patient. Any young can't be big in between day and night. He should start small. He should start with a small employee. Then by experience, by training, he will be graduated up till he became an owner of a company. But he can't be immediately from a student to be an owner of a big company or to be a manager of a big company. So this is then don't hesitate to work anything, because anything you learn, it's a benefit for you. It will increase your experience, it will increase your benefit. So try to work and to do whatever you can do. Don't be lazy, don't be hesitating, don't be ashamed of anything to do.
Mr. Abdullah, thank you so much for this valuable piece of advice for the finish of this interview, and thank you very much, and all the best for you.
Thank you very much.